Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have a little crafting DIY project I want to share with you. These are what are they? Little tubs that you put your books in from the Dollar Tree. I don't know the exact name, but from the Dollar Tree. And they have several colors. I picked a couple up at a time, and I had this great idea, and I just want to share it with you. So these tubs, these containers, they have these lips in the back, and they actually can fit together. They can, let's see how I do this. You put one on top of the other, and this little lip here will fit right on top of the other one. Well, it did. Just hold on. And you can push it together. Push it together like that. So that's a temporary hold. So what I decided to do was put these together and put a hole at the top through both of these and at the bottom, and use some zip ties to hold them together. And then towards the end, you'll see why I'm doing this. So I already started with this one. I put these two together, which you just push them together, and then I put a hole here in the bottom, and I already have a zip tie on this one, so it went through both of them. And so now, if my soldering tool is hot, because I just turned it back on, yes it is, I'll go through these again and show you. Just go straight through. Get your zip tie. You can get these from the Dollar Tree as well. You know I love zip ties and spray paint. Yes. They do wonders. Put it through both holes. And a zip tie. Tighten it up. Tighten this one up. So now they're together and they won't come apart. So I'm gonna do these other ones. Snap them together or push them together. Bookcases, is that what they are? Book holders, magazine holders, something like that. And once they're pushed together, I'm going to place a hole between the two of them, through the two of them. Uh-oh. Makes a perfect hole. I'll do that one, and then I'll do the top. And I'm just using the smallest zip ties because I'm going to cut them off. The smallest zip ties that come in this package. I think there's 3 different sizes. And if you can hear it in the background, I am listening to Cece's Texas Garden. She is planting, harvesting, and tasting. What I tend to do is watch my friends, content creators, as I do what I do. I'll bring this one through the bottom. Zip tie it off. And this is a quick little easy DIY project. And I could have got all the same colors, but my favorite colors are teal and purple. And I just happened to find this one the other day. I never saw dark purple. And these are, lilac? Anywho, your preference. I don't know what other colors they have. I'm sure they have other ones. Okay, now let's do this one. So it's on here. And let's put the holes in. And be careful. Put one up here at the top. It's going through both of those lips. We'll do a couple more zip ties. Zip it tight. And let's do this last hole.
It's either gonna be the Euro melons, which I got from Drill.
Okay, now I'm gonna turn it over. Make sure they're all tight.
I feel like it's gonna be like cantaloupe or something, melon-wise, because I'm not a melon girl. So maybe I'll go with the Euro melon.
And then I'll cut them off.
What these are going to look like. I guess I could look up, but I'm gonna cut these like this in honor of my friend Drill, and she gave me the seeds. So
Cut it off, and then I'll push the zip tie towards the inside here, so it's hidden.
alright, so those are going to be the seeds that I'm going to plant. And I need to do some harvesting as well. It is so hot.
The bottom. No, that's the top. Which way am I going to sit this thing? That's the top. So this is the bottom. Let me do these. Cut these off.
Cucumbers and some green beans. I definitely seen that thing. I'm thinking, should I go ahead and do that before I get started?
That one's stuck in there. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'll just push these. Push them down.
And harvest first.
And voila. Now look at this. What am I going to use this for? I have so many tumblers that I drink from. Coffee, tea, water, whatever. Look at this. Stack them. Whatever you like. Even the wide ones go in here. Then I have several over there that haven't been washed in the sink that I can put in here. How about that? So it will fit 12. Well, not really. These are wider. These are bigger. I don't know if I can fit another one there, but it may fit 12. 10 to 12 tumblers. And they're not taking up room in your cabinet. I'm going to put this on my counter over by my microwave. And that is it. Quick and easy. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Would you try this? Are you going to try this? What do you think about it? Let me know. Peace and love. Happy DIYing, happy crafting, and all that good stuff. Do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Toodles. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Look at what we have. A DIY tumbler container, tumbler holder. And I have, how many here? 8, 9? So it will fit 12. Where these wider mouth ones are, I put a 20 ounce. And so I have room for 3 more. And then you can even stack things on top. How about that? Yes. Thank you so much again. Appreciate you. Take care.